Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an often overlooked, but absolutely essential component for many home and office setups, a reliable power adapter. Specifically, we're diving into the SKKSource 24V AC adapter, designed to be perfectly compatible with the DYMO 1,757,660 Label Writer 450 Twin Turbo Label Printer. If you own one of these fantastic label printers, you know how crucial a steady power supply is to keep your operations running smoothly. This particular adapter from SKKSource presents itself as a brand new, high-quality replacement option. It's important to note that while it's not an OEM product, the manufacturer assures us of its premium build and performance, never having been used before. One of the first things that stands out about this SKKSource adapter is its commitment to safety. The product description highlights multiple smart features engineered to safeguard against common electrical issues. We're talking about protection against incorrect voltage, which can be a silent killer for electronics, short circuits, and internal overheating. These aren't just buzzwords. They represent a crucial layer of defense for your valuable DYMO printer, ensuring its longevity and your peace of mind. Furthermore, the fact that these chargers are certificated with CE and FCC standards adds another layer of trust and reliability. When it comes to power specifications, this adapter boasts a wide input voltage range of 102.40 V. This versatility means it's ready for use in various regions around the world, making it a convenient choice whether you're at home, in the office, or even traveling internationally, provided you have the right physical plug adapter. The output, of course, is a stable 24V, precisely what your DYMO 450 Twin Turbo needs. Compatibility is key with any replacement part, and SKKSource makes it clear this 24V AC adapter is specifically designed for the DYMO 1,757,660 Label Writer 450 Twin Turbo. However, as with any purchase of this nature, it's always a good practice to double-check the model of your device before buying to ensure a seamless fit. Visually, it's a straightforward black adapter with a standard barrel connector, designed for a wall mount, which keeps things tidy and out of the way. The SKKSource brand emphasizes quality and customer support, inviting users to contact them with any questions or concerns, which is always a reassuring sign. In essence, if you're in need of a dependable, safe, and high-quality power solution for your DYMO Label Writer 450 Twin Turbo, this SKKSource 24V AC adapter appears to be an excellent contender. It promises to deliver consistent power while protecting your device, allowing you to focus on what you do best, printing those labels without a hitch. It's a small but mighty component that ensures your productivity remains uninterrupted.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.